Hey there, fellow tool enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some exhilarating news for you straight from the world of tools. Makita, the brand known for its innovation and performance, has just unleashed a wave of new releases that are about to take your projects to the next level. Let's jump right into the Makita new tool releases. Makita has raised the bar once again with the expansion of their 18-volt cordless hammer driver drill line. The star of this release is the 18-volt LXT registered compact brushless 1/2 hammer driver drill kit, XPH16T, a game-changer for versatile drilling, driving, and hammer drilling applications. This kit includes a 5.0 Ah battery and charger, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. Powered by an innovative brushless motor, the XPH16T delivers up to 970 inch-pounds of max torque, a staggering 70% more power compared to its predecessor. Its two-speed design covers 0 to 550 to 0 to 1800 RPM, 0 to 8250 to 0 to 27,000 BPM, adapting to various tasks effortlessly. Ergonomically designed, the XPH16T measures just 6 7/8 in length and weighs 4.9 pounds, with the 5.0 Ah battery, minimizing fatigue during extended use. Comfort is further enhanced by a rubberized soft grip, and dual LED lights illuminate the workspace for precision in any lighting. Safety and longevity are paramount, as indicated by the Star Protection Computer Controls trademark system. This technology ensures real-time communication between the tool and battery, guarding against overloading, overdischarging, and overheating. The XPH16T isn't just a tool, it's part of the Makita registered LXT registered system, a vast array of cordless tools powered by 18V batteries. With over 325 products in this system, it's a testament to Makita's commitment to innovation and performance. Experience the power, versatility, and safety of the 18V LXT registered compact brushless 1/2 hammer driver drill kit and explore the endless possibilities it brings to your projects. Makita is making waves in the industrial grinding scene with the launch of 8 new compact grinders. This release includes 5 5-inch grinders and 3 4.5-inch grinders, offering a diverse range of options for various applications. These grinders, part of the GA45 and GA50 series, feature Makita's exclusive SJS Trademark II technology, providing unique benefits including gear protection and reduced vibration. Rufus Richardson, Senior Product Manager at Makita USA Incorporated, expressed his excitement, stating, "Makita is excited to announce more solutions in the compact industrial segment with 8 new powerful grinders in the GA45 and GA50 series. This recent addition will further add to Makita's great history and legacy, while offering users more options." The grinders are equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor delivering up to 11,500 RPM for a wide range of tasks. Notably, SJS Trademark II technology safeguards the motor and gears, preventing damage during wheel resistance and minimizing vibration for extended comfort during usage. These grinders cater to commercial applications in industries like oil, energy, and shipbuilding, where precision and comfort are crucial. With features such as variable speed control dials, mechanical brakes, and paddle switches, users can tailor their grinding experience to their needs. Makita's commitment to innovation and user satisfaction is evident in this release, offering professionals a tool that combines power, precision, and comfort in the compact industrial grinder category. Makita is unveiling 3 groundbreaking battery-powered material handling solutions for efficient job site transportation. The 36-volt LXT registered brushless material handlers offer stability, impressive load capacity, over 650 pounds, and extended runtime of up to 100 minutes. These handlers are designed to make large-scale jobs effortless. Tyler Brown, Associate Product Manager at Makita USA Incorporated, expressed the brand's excitement. "Makita is excited to unveil the all-new 36-volt LXT registered brushless material handlers. Designed for stability and maneuverability, each model features a robust 4-wheel design and high load capacity. Each handler features a powerful 36V brushless motor, powered by 2 18-volt LXT registered batteries. They are available in 3 configurations: dump bucket, XUC04Z, dump and pipe frame, XUC05Z, and flat bucket, XUC06C, with up to 100 minutes of runtime under load. Safety and convenience are paramount. Audible alerts indicate low battery levels, and a warning beep activates if overloaded on slopes or uneven ground. Mechanical and electromagnetic brakes prevent unintended movement. Handles adjust to different heights for various users, featuring rubberized soft grips for comfort. Makita's battery-powered material handlers blend efficiency, durability, and user-friendly features, promising to revolutionize material transport on job sites.